Let me ask you something. Why do some people look 35 at 50, while others somehow look 50 at 35? It's not just skincare, it's not just Botox, and it's definitely not genetics alone. The truth is, most of us are aging ourselves by doing things we think are helping, like losing weight too quickly, like getting too much Botox in the wrong places, like chasing the snatched look and ending up frozen, hollow, or just off. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through every single mistake that might be aging your face right now. We'll look at the real science behind facial aging, from fat loss and bone shrinkage to what overfilling and sun exposure actually do to your skin. If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, why do I look tired even when I'm not? This video is for you. Let's get into it. Part 1. Why anti-aging backfires. Before we dive into the mistakes, let's address the elephant in the room. The anti-aging industry profits from confusion. You're not supposed to understand how your face actually works. You're just supposed to fix it with injections, creams, and whatever's trending on TikTok. But the truth is, your face isn't just a balloon to fill up or a surface to smooth. It's a 3D structure and made up of bone-deep and superficial fat muscles, fascia, and skin. And as we age, each one of those layers changes. Bones shrink, fat shifts, muscles weaken, skin thins. When you only treat the surface or keep chasing volume, you're not reversing age. You're just rearranging the symptoms. That's how people end up looking done instead of refreshed. So here's the new rule. If it makes you look less like you, it's not anti-aging, it's aesthetic self-sabotage. Let's look at the 10 most common mistakes that age your face after 30 and what you can do instead. Mistake 1. Losing too much weight too fast. You lose weight, you fit into your old jeans, but your face suddenly looks sunken, saggy, tired. That's not in your head. That's fat loss in the face, especially in the mid-face, temples, and under the eyes. After 30, your body doesn't just burn body fat. It also starts shrinking facial fat pads, the ones that make you look youthful and supported. This is why some people look older after weight loss, especially if they're not building muscle to support it. Solution? Don't crash diet. Focus on slow, intentional fat loss and pair it with strength training. Support your collagen with the right nutrients, and don't skip hydration. Mistake 2. Overfilling the face. Let's talk about filler. Done well, it can subtly restore volume and lift, but too much, especially over time, might lead to filler migration, puffiness, facial distortion. Why? Because filler stretches the tissue, and repeated use in the wrong areas can create long-term sagging. You might look better in photos, but in motion, things start to look unnatural. Instead of chasing volume, focus on skin quality structural support, like biostimulators, and less frequent, more strategic use of filler. Less is almost always more. Mistake 3. Over-Botoxing the forehead. Botox is incredible when used correctly, but when you freeze your forehead completely, here's what happens. Your brows drop, your eyelids get heavier, you compensate by over-raising other muscles, and the balance of your entire face shifts long-term. This can actually accelerate aging, because your muscles weaken faster when you over-paralyze them. Botox should enhance expression, not erase it, so ask for lower doses and strategic placement. The goal isn't no movement, it's no tension. Mistake 4. Neglecting the lower face plus neck. A youthful face doesn't end at the cheeks. As you age, the lower third of your face changes the most. Marionette lines deepen, jowls form. The jawline loses sharpness, the neck shows bands or sagging. And yet, most people focus only on their upper face. What helps here? Strength training for posture and neck muscles, RF microneedling or ultrasound to tighten collagen, and in some cases, deep structural filler near the bone to support the jaw. Don't forget your neck, it tells the truth. Mistake 5. UV exposure, even when you think you're safe. The sun is the #1 cause of premature aging. Yes, even through clouds, even through windows. Cumulative UV damage breaks down collagen and elastin, leads to uneven pigmentation, and makes your skin thinner, duller, and weaker. Wearing SPF only on beach days? Not enough. Daily sunscreen is non-negotiable. Use mineral-based formulas. Reapply if you're outdoors. And don't forget the neck, chest, and hands, the spots that betray your age first. Mistake 6. Never training your face. Your face is made of muscles, and just like your body, they weaken over time. But we don't train our faces, and we should. Loss of tone equals sagging skin, droopy brows, hollow cheeks. That's where facial exercises, gua sha, or microcurrent tools come in. Done consistently, they lift, tone, and stimulate circulation. Bonus, it reconnects you with your face, so you notice changes earlier and feel more grounded in your own beauty. Mistake 7. Using products that destroy your skin barrier. Your skin after 30? Thinner, more sensitive, slower to repair. And yet, many people are still using harsh scrubs, strong acids every night, drying cleansers. This weakens the skin barrier and causes chronic inflammation. And inflammation equals aging. So switch to gentle, nourishing routines. Use exfoliants sparingly, and focus on repair, peptides, ceramides, antioxidants. Mistake 8. Ignoring hormonal shifts in your 30s and 40s. As estrogen starts to drop, sometimes gradually, sometimes suddenly, your skin gets thinner, loses elasticity, becomes drier and more reactive. And what worked at 25 might suddenly stop working. Support your skin with richer moisturizers, phytoestrogens like soy-based products, and ingredients that boost collagen, peptides, retinoids, and vitamin C. Listen to your skin. It's telling you what season you're in. Mistake 9. Following trends over proportion. Fox eye threads, buccal fat removal, mega jaw filler. Trendy procedures might go viral, but they don't always age well. Why? Because they ignore your natural proportions. Your face has a balance, and when you force it into trend-driven shapes, you often end up looking off, or even older. Enhancement should harmonize your face and not erase it. When in doubt, subtle greater than sharp. Support greater than sculpt. You or everyone else. Mistake 10. Ignoring bone loss. Yes, your bones age too. Starting in your 30s, you slowly lose bone mass in the jaw, the cheekbones, the eye sockets. This literally changes your facial shape, making it more hollow, less defined, and more sag-prone. Support bone health with resistance training, adequate protein, vitamin D3, calcium, and K2. And if you're doing aesthetic treatments, ask your provider how they support deep structure, not just surface fluff. The reframe aging is inevitable, but looking tired, hollow, or overdone. That's not. Looking youthful isn't about erasing time. It's about preserving vitality, supporting the deep layers, respecting your face's unique proportions, choosing expression over perfection. So, which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Which ones have you made? Comment below. I've made plenty too. This is a learning process, not a punishment. If this helped, hit subscribe, and check out my next video, all about the best treatments by age group. Until next time, be kind to your face. And remember, aging is a privilege, but exhaustion, that's optional.